So I'll get a video for you.
Yeah, please do.
So one thing that I would recommend for GoPro to like improve your driving,
Okay.
is if you could somehow have it like
Not right here. Yeah.
so like so you can see your pedal and your steering wheel inputs and the windshield with one. I know they make like mounts that'll like clip onto this thing on your headrest.
So this is an old shitty. This is like a Hero 3, and it's not great.
It works.
What's that? Well, barely. Like, so it's supposed to connect to my phone via an app.
Oh, that I don't even do that on my like.
It never works.
I have like the newer version of that. That was like the 5, the Hero Plus or whatever.
Okay.
Garbage. Every time I connect to the app, everything would freeze.
Yeah.
It would like break the GoPro.
So I've thought about, you have to cycle it
Every time.
otherwise it just goes to comfort.
Optimal profile for dynamic drive. Oh shit. Yeah, you can. What do you want to do? You want to line up? Oh, you're waiting for him to go out.
I guess I'll just back up. I'll spare him the shame of being passed by me again.
Alright, so shifting, revving it out. So that's another thing. I was trying to like bounce it off the rev limiter just to show you that, hey, it's probably okay. Don't do it as much as I was doing it.
Yeah.
But like if you hear it and then you use that as your shift indicator to like get the feel for it, like just in this section.
I'm worried it's gonna hurt the car.
That's the whole point, is that it's not going to the point where it's hurting you.
Yeah.
So if you want to try it once or twice. That was David in the car in front of us before we quickly passed him. That poor guy, man. You could tell his car was just like, the tires were bricks.
Yeah.
Want a race?
I passed you last time. Did it get any better?
It actually was so much better.
Really?
Like to the fact that I forgot about it.
Really?
I was just driving around.
And
like, 2
brakes.
clicks. I'm not saying it's perfect,
But like you're not locking up that tire anymore.
Oh yeah, I mean, I was sort of like, those tires are so dead that like I really don't have any trust in the tires, so I was kind of easing into the brakes.
Yeah.
But at one point I literally was like, okay, let's see what it takes to lock it up, and like I pushed the pedal really hard.
I took him out for a.
I saw you lock up.
Yeah, you saw that? Yeah, nice. He was like, wow, you brake pretty hard. And I'm like, can you smell that? I just locked up.
Yeah, I saw it. I was like coming out of 10. Yeah. I was like, good job for us. Yeah, and I could still smell it when I got there.
Yeah.
No, it was a pretty good one.
No, it was good, yeah.
Yeah, no, I need to put real tires on the car tomorrow. And I thought I was driving around, I was like, wait a minute. I put Brian's Max's tires on my car last year because these sucked. And I somehow thought that aging them for the winter would make them better.
Outside, probably, right?
No,
yeah.
they were in the basement, but still. Yeah, so like they were bad then. They're terrible now.
Yeah.
But the car, I felt like I could push the pedal and I could feel the brake pads work. Like
you just didn't trust it to go like.
But I need some tires and some.
Yeah.
I mean, I literally was like, okay, let's break the 40 barrier. Like literally that's
really
the kind of pace I was.
Yeah.
On. Yeah.
We ran like the
no grip in the corner.
Yeah.
I would put the car.
That's
in the
terrifying.
Corner,
yeah.
It felt like it was just gonna slide off the track.
We were like in the 33s.
Yeah.
Just chilling. Yeah.
All right, have fun, guys.
Cool.
Thanks, bud.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna turn on this lap timer just for shits and giggles.
Sure.
I won't. We'll just look at it after.
Sure.
Let's see if I can.
Yeah, this was. I wasn't sure which I would prefer between the Shenandoah and this. And this track is just like a different level, you know.
I think the best thing about it is that like one, it's like kind of normal, right? So you're not like fighting bad parts of the track or like trying to do things that aren't textbook. And B, it's a shorter lap. So like when you make a mistake, you can come back in and you can be like, all right, I just messed up turn 3. Let me try braking earlier for that.
Yeah.
And then see if that helps or something like that.
Yeah, you do the same turns more times.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll let that simmer.
I'm actually gonna put it
in my pocket. All right. You all set?
Yep.
Cool.
I had so I can change whatever it displays.
Okay. Yeah.
And I have obviously a analog speedo, but I put it on the oil temperature just to
when you
see.
come in, just to see where it's at.
Well, no, the whole session last
you did?
session,
Oh, okay.
just to, I don't know.
212 is totally fine when you're coming in.
I mean, it never goes beyond what it should be.
Yeah.
And I changed the oil yesterday, so.
Nice. Alright, man. You know what to do. Settle in, get into driving mode, more on the car, more on the body. Your brakes are just cold. Warm them up. They'll be good. that? See how you still made the turn?
Yeah.
Turn it later, that's perfect. Now open the wheel, unwind. There you go, yeah. As you're giving it gas, make sure you unwind. Try not to brake here, just stay and lift instead of brake. There you go.
Got it.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think the brake got me a little squirrely there.
Yeah. So lift off to get comfortable and then just carry that speed through. Stick to your marks. Don't worry about these cars. Open it up, open it up, open it up, open it up, open it up. Bring it back in. Shifter. Well. Good job. Good job. Tell you what, let's pick. Right?
What's that?
Pick this lap. Let's pick.
Okay.
Give me a signal. We're going to tell them that we're looking for a gap so we can get rid of this traffic.
Okay.
Just go. Don't go here. Just go straight. Go straight. Go straight. Slowly approach him. We tell him we want a gap. So wait for him to tell you to go and then go. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, what I want you to focus on is just making sure we're at the edges of the track, okay?
Okay.
So make sure that we're all the way left when we're turning or all the way right before we turn. Does that make sense?
Yep.
So that's what I'm going to do with my hands. I'm going to give you the hand signals just to get you to nudge over a little bit. But right here, we're still pitting out, so make sure you stick to the right. Car still warm, so you're good there.
So that just that by?
Yeah, right here. Yes,
Oh,
after you make the turn.
Anyways. So I go to the right side?
Yeah, I just point him by to the left. Same thing with the force, yep.
There we go. Now we got a nice gap.
Yeah. Alright. So keep your eyes open where that comes. Get the car in there and ease on the gas. Awesome. Nice. Same thing here, okay? Let's lift off, but not brake and turn. shift before you get back on the gas here. Now one continuous. Slow. Alright. Just wait. Give it to you. There you go. Take it. Alright. Just keep it here. Don't come over. Right? And then you turn it late. Not yet. Now.
Alright, so you're not online because you gotta wait by.
That's exactly it, yeah. So when you're offline, you have to turn in later so you can still make the board. Obviously, slowing down enough to make that board. Smooth release the pedal. Awesome. Back onto the gas. Open up the wheel. Awesome. Smooth release. Wait. There you go. Get back on the gas.
Wait up a turn, you mean?
Huh?
You say wait to turn?
Wait to get back on the gas.
Okay.
Yeah. You know what to do here. You're a pro. Easy. Don't get too close. This is a tough part. People get loose here too. So like if somebody messes up, you want to give them space to kind of